Hi, it's Chris Langlois, founder of visible-networking.com. Thanks for watching my video today. It's a video about LinkedIn and especially about the LinkedIn for Groups feature. I decided to create that video to help associations, so alumni associations, to help corporates, companies, which wonder if it's a good idea or not to create a group on LinkedIn. So I think it is. LinkedIn, is a very, very good resource for online networking. It's a fantastic website, very easy to use. The quality of its members is fantastic, and it's very international as well. So not only American, I insist on that fact. So let me show you very quickly, it's a short video, to show you the benefits of the group feature from a member point of view. Not from a manager of the group, but for a member point of view. That's very important as well. So I'll show you a couple of things. So this is the home page, your home page on LinkedIn. Here it's me, Christophe Langlois. I will scroll down, and here you see first of all your groups. So of course, depending if you belong to a group or not, you'll see that on the right hand side of your home page. Couple of remarks here. You can click here on what are groups. Okay, it's going to be on my post on visible-networking.com. But here at the bottom of the page, you've got LinkedIn, and you've got here LinkedIn for Groups. So if you click here on that link, it's exactly the same page you'll reach if you click on that one, what are groups. Same thing if you click. Just to show you very briefly, here we are. We're in the LinkedIn for Groups page per se. This is the FAQs, quite interesting, quite useful. If you click on About LinkedIn for Groups, then you'll have a short description of what it is. And then if you're interested, if you're a manager, you can request a group on LinkedIn. Then they show you there's different kind of subscriptions per se, or groups. The first basic is free. And then you could pay for extra value basically, or added services or features. Quite interesting. But as I said today, I'll insist on the user experience from a member point of view. If I click on home again, here we are. Let's go back here. So I belong to two groups, for instance. You've got a couple of links. First is website. That's the website of the group per se. For instance, if it's a company's website, for the company's alumni, if you click here, it's very likely to point to the alumni's website. Okay, usually you've got your own website and you want to have a presence on LinkedIn, so here it points to the website of the association. Then there's two interesting things here. Let me insist on settings first. It's quite quickly, quite simple. Account and settings for your group. Here it's Central Alumni. I decided to use that as an example. And by the way, to salute this initiative from Les Centraliens, one of the best schools of engineers, some of the best schools of engineers in France. So that's a very good initiative. Well done. You can click here and contact the group manager, or you can click here if you don't want to belong to the group anymore. What happens usually is that the group manager sends, when you decide to create a group, he sends everything to LinkedIn. So LinkedIn creates accounts with all the addresses, email addresses, and then of course you can decide to be a member or not. But I would say yes. I mean, stick with it. It's a very good benefit. So it's better. It increases your visibility basically, and your peers can easily find you. Direct contact with Central Alumni members quite quickly and quite easily. That's the only option you have per se. To click on yes or no. Can other Central Alumni members contact you directly? If other people, LinkedIn members, belong to the group as well, they could contact you directly or not. If you say yes, they could. If you say no, they can't contact you directly. So they'll have to go through a common contact basically to reach you. So you can decide to save changes or not. Here is just the home page again. Website, you got see all members. So if I click here, Okay, here I've got all the LinkedIn members, okay, who belong to the central group. So it's quite useful. So see here, that's one key benefit, one of the key benefits for your association. You see the logo of the association, okay, quite clearly on the profile, on the results. So it's really, really useful here, central. Here is my profile. Another very interesting thing is when you click on people. So that's where you access all the search features. That's a fantastic tool. Again, LinkedIn is great for that. When you do your research, usually by company, by keyword, which is very good because it will then search in all the profiles, not only a company name, title, but anywhere in the profiles. That's very good. That's very useful, that keywords field. Company, location. Here you can click on search within my groups, okay? Which means that you can do the same search on a country, for instance, or a company, and identify very easily the LinkedIn members who are part of one of your groups. So very, very useful. Of course, you've got something in common. So usually, those people are easier to contact. So it's I would really advise to create a group on LinkedIn. You've got some free services. You've got a free service, and then you've got to pay for extra services, such as to appear on the group directory, which could be interesting in terms of visibility. So thank you very much for watching that video. Feel free to go on visible-networking.com should you want to know more about LinkedIn. And of course, feel free to send me an email to cm, C for Chris, M for Mark, _ Langlois, Langlois, @ yahoo.co.uk. Thank you very much. Bye-bye now.